welcome back. So I'm gonna be doing makeup on Tanania today. I jumped straight into applying concealer to her eyelids, and this works as a base, as you guys know, so that the colors that I apply pop more. Everything just looks way more evened out. So yeah, I went into this Morphe palette and I took the combination of purples as I showed you guys, and I applied these to the crease of her eyes. Just took my time to blend these out, fuse them together properly, and just, you know, I really like the way the blend look. I definitely was going for that purple and yellow vibe today, so that's what I did. And as you can see, I used like the darker purple on this end portion of the crease and the lighter one on the inner portion. I then proceeded to taking my time to create the crease. You always have to ensure to keep a steady hand when creating your crease because you want this line to be as sharp as possible. And after doing this, I just tap it in, kind of blend out so that it's even. I went on the outer portion with some more of that purple to kind of, like, you know, blend in everything and not have a demarcation. Like, you want it to look well blended, you know. And for the rest of the lid portion, I applied this very vibrant yellow. I loved it. It went with the background and it was a vibe. I loved it. And I just ensured that the edge portion there was well blended and the colors were fusing together nicely. I then moved on to just applying a wing liner. That was pretty much it for applying the eyeshadows. And I popped on lashes on top of her fusion lashes, and this just took the look to a whole next level. You know, definitely dramatic. You know, it's Carnival, you know, that's what it's all about, being dramatic and flashy and, you know, just extra. So yeah, I then paused on the eyes and went straight into applying the foundation. I just took my time to do this, but you know, guys know the drill already with the whole face portion. I apply the concealer, I highlight, and I contour. But just to step away from this just a bit, like, guys, I will be uploading my next episode for my Carnival series very soon. Since this is a Carnival inspired look, I just thought that I'd throw that in to update you guys because it's been a while since I've uploaded anything for my Carnival series. Yeah, I feel like my next video is gonna be pretty fun, so I just want you guys to be on the lookout for that. Please do, it will be fun. So just like my last video where Chris Choreo was showing my sister and I to whine and, you know, just show us different moves that we can do on Carnival Day. Yeah, so, you know, I just paused a bit because I really wanted that series to be very fun and, you know, yeah, just fun. But as you guys can see, I'm pretty much just setting the face right now. I did a bit of contouring today. Her face is just perfect for this. She has a beautiful face structure and I really love that. And so I don't make the contour too strong because she really does have very nice cheekbones. And then I just accentuate the nose bridge there to just give it a very slim look. And I did some baking, but not for too long because the eye makeup was already on. Usually I'd bake while I'm doing the eye makeup, but that's not the case today. I applied some purple on the lower lash line and then I dusted away beneath the eyes. And I pretty much went into spraying her face because you want everything to melt down and look very skin-like and radiant. That's very important. Also help with longevity because it's jump up day, a lot of sweating, it might rain, so you always need to ensure you're using products that can withstand water and sweat. Okay, be mindful of that, guys. Be mindful. So as I said, this is on the simpler side of Carnival, you know, makeup, you know. Yeah, so for the lippy portion, I'm using this Gael liquid lipstick and it's in the shade Carol. It's a beautiful purple, which I'm absolutely loving, and I just thought I'd throw it in on this look. You know, I really love it. I really love it. I didn't want to be boring. I didn't want to, you know, be too safe and do nude lips. You guys know that I always run to nude lips so easily, but you know, Gael has my back and I really love this color. Check the description to check out that lipstick if you're interested in purchasing it. The direct link is down there. That's pretty much it for this look today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumb up. Thanks again to Tanania for doing this video, for being my model for today. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't as yet, guys, and stay tuned to my channel for what is to come for my Carnival series. Also, check out my daily vlogs on Petite-SUE TV. That's it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.